If you have a long article or PDF or something that you need to read, but you don't want to read it, there's actually a very easy way that you can make Google Chrome read it to you on either a computer or a phone or tablet. On a computer, you just need to pull up whatever page you want it to read to you. Not every page is going to be right for this. Something like this would work quite okay where we have a lot of clear text, or ideally it's really meant for articles or something where there's just this one main big batch of text that it could read to you. It's not going to be great for things like this where it's just a bunch of titles and a few different things like that. It's really going to be a long thing that you want it to read to you. And unfortunately, it doesn't seem to work on Google Docs and might not work on other websites similar to Google Docs. But for any website that's really an article or something, it will work really well. And now what you need to do is pull up reading mode. And the best way to do that is click on the three dots in the top right-hand corner. Then down near the bottom of this menu, hover over More Tools. So you'll need to slide your mouse down a little bit if you have a small screen, or you should just see it here, More Tools. And then you'll hover over that, and in this menu that appears next to it, you'll click Reading Mode. And now it'll pull up Reading Mode. And if there's an obvious big chunk of text that's obviously what you want it to read, it will actually put all of that into this reading mode panel on the side of the screen here. So we can see we have the real website here, and then we have just all the text pulled out into reading mode over here. And it'll need to do that in order for it to read it to you. So on some websites, when you pull up reading mode in More Tools and reading mode, it won't really understand what you want it to read. But you can, if there is some text, you can highlight that text and then it will understand that's what you want it to read and it'll put that in there. But on websites where it's very clear what you want it to read, it will do it automatically and just put it all in there like that. And then as Timmy mentioned before, if you try to do this in certain websites like Google Docs, it'll actually tell you reading mode isn't available on this page, which is kind of strange and quite annoying really, but anyway, it's not available on that page. But any website that it does work for, you should see all the text appear in here. And if it is a really suitable page, it should automatically put it all in here for you. And now you're basically ready to just have it start reading it to you. So up near the top left corner of this panel here, there'll be a play button. And really, all you need to do is click this play button,
Tech Time with
and it
Timmy
will
was
start
created
reading
by
the text
Timmy
to you.
back in 2016.
And it will highlight each word as it's going so you can follow along. But that's kind of all there is to it. If you're not hearing it, you might just need to turn your volume up so that it works, but then you should be able to hear it. And you can also adjust the speed if you want by clicking on this 1x here. So you could put it at half speed if it's moving too fast and you want to make it easier to understand. Or you could go 2 times speed if you just want to get through it as quickly as you can. Or you could go something a bit more in between. And you can also use these 2 arrows here next to the pause button. So you can pause it if you want and play again, and you can use the arrows to skip back to like a previous paragraph or ahead to another paragraph, and that's pretty much all there is. You can customize it a bit if you want to. You can click on this button up the top here, and you can choose a different language if you want it to read in a different language, but none of them are all that different. They're all pretty similar like that, but you could choose a different one if you want to and have it play with those. And you can also choose how you want the highlighting to work. So these 2 options basically will highlight each word as it's saying it. And then sentence is pretty self-explanatory. It will highlight the entire sentence and then move on to the next sentence, or you can go off and have it not at all. But you can choose what you want there. You're probably going to want it on Word. But that's really it. Now you can just have it read text to you anytime you want by opening up reading mode and clicking the play button. And then when you're done and you want to just get rid of this, you can click this cross near the top right-hand corner here, and that will close that panel and everything will go back to normal. But In the Google Chrome app on a phone or tablet, there is no reading mode, but what you can do is obviously once again pull up whatever you want it to read to you, and then tap on the three dots in the top right hand corner, or sometimes it's down the bottom depending on your phone and your settings. And then in this menu here, you should see listen to this page. It doesn't always appear immediately. It sometimes takes a few seconds to load. So you pull up the menu and it will take a second or two and then it will appear. But then you can tap listen to this page here and it will read the page to you.
Ready to explore a treasure trove of tech insights and demystify the digital world? Let's dive in.
Yeah, the About Us section of Tech Time with Timmy, created by Timmy back in 2016, says that the goal of the site is to help people learn about tech.
But as you can tell, it's actually not reading what's written on the website. It's using this AI to kind of generate this fake AI podcast with fake AI podcast hosts talking about what the content is about. So it is kind of cool and it sounds pretty good, and it might be good depending on what you want, but it is actually not reading what was actually written on the page. So there's a potential it's wrong or will have the wording wrong or something at times, but it is still kind of cool, and depending on what you're listening to, it might be quite okay. And you can play and pause it like this to turn it down.
It started as a YouTube channel.
You can play and pause like that, and you can tap on it here, and you have play and pause and skip ahead, skip back buttons, kind of like you're listening to a podcast. You can even slide it through to skip ahead quite a bit. And you'll have the player up here, so you can go out of the app and keep playing it. And you have this 1x here that you can tap on and then change the speed to make it faster or slower. So it's all quite good, but it is this fake AI version.
Are there specific topics that the website covers?
There are many topics, including Google Docs and...
So you can listen to that if you want to, but if you're not a fan of that and you just wanted it to actually read what's actually written on the page to you, you can tap on it down here and then tap this purple button in the bottom left corner here, and that will turn the AI off, and then it will just read the exact page to you just like it did on Reader on the Google Chrome on a computer. So if we tap play now.
About Us. Published by Tech Time with Timmy. Tech Time with Timmy was created by Timmy back in 2016 with the goal of helping people of all skill.
That sounds a lot more robotic and kind of isn't as nice to listen to, but it is reading exactly what was written on the website, and will even highlight the words as it says them so you can follow along if you want to. So that might be more what you want, and it's going to be exactly what was written on the website if that's important, depending on what you're listening to. So you might want to do that at times, but the podcast version, the AI version, can be kind of cool, but maybe not really appropriate for everything you might want to listen to. But that's all there is to it. That's how you can have Google Chrome read things out loud to you on your computer or on your phone or tablet. The tablet will work just like a phone. But that's it for this video, so hopefully you found it helpful, and we might see you in another one in the future.